Here's how we pilot the Parrot Mambo. First, place the Parrot Mambo on a flat surface with the propellers facing upwards.
Then, open the Free Flight Mini application and select the accessory type, with or without hull.
To take off, press the takeoff button. The Parrot Mambo will take off and stabilize at 1 meter above the ground, pending further commands. To land, press the landing button.
Law of the jungle. The predator is coming. Who is a predator? A break? A dinosaur? A backpack? The predator is a meaty and easy to control quadcopter. Flexible materials ensure high protection against a harsh environment and minor bounce. Swift and responsive, powerful and energetic, precise and quick stop. Enjoy the flight in headless mode. Cool 360-degree flip. Outdoor boat fly at park or open area. Indoor gentle fly at home. Shuttle at ease. Safe crash. Just press the one key return. Back to you safely. Begin your adventure and experience the brand new Predator now.
This is a UFO unmanned aerial vehicle without remote sensing. It has flexible mesh barrier made by ABS material, which is environmental friendly and resistant to crash. Start the aircraft. Through to make it fly. No need for remote operation. Simple and convenient. Infrared induction device is at the bottom and around it. It has the function of automatic avoidance. With encountering obstacle at the bottom, it will rise automatically. Hand sensing interactive aircraft. It can be played by many people. The grip turns over to stop flying. Click on its power button to switch into high-speed mode. LED lights make it shine in the night sky. USB charging, safe and durable. Add flying fun. UFO induction vehicle without remote sensing.